The Google Analytics 4 training course. For those of you taking the full SEO course, this is going to be just another set of 5 modules along with the entire SEO course, and then you're going to be done. This is the last thing that you're going to end up working on. For those of you just joining, my name is Jeff Baker. I'm an SEO. I've been in this industry for over 10 years. I was previously the CMO of Brafton, which is one of the world's largest content marketing agencies. And my background is that I've always done SEO. It's what I know best out of everything in the world, and I really, really like teaching it. And I know Google Analytics can be a very, very difficult thing to wrap your head around. The complexity in it, so intense. There are so many different reports you can pull. There's so many different things you can do. It's just overwhelming. So my intention behind this course is to do a few things. I want to get you very comfortable with Google Analytics 4. I want you to see where everything lives, how to manipulate things, and then going beyond the theoretical stuff, I want to show you specific reports that you can pull. They're going to have a direct measurable impact on your brand. So like I teach in my SEO course, everything needs to get tied back to generating some sort of value for the organization. So we're going to be looking for specific insights from specific reports. They're going to help you do a better job as whatever you're doing in your organization, whether you're on the marketing team, as a content creator, whether you're the SEO specialist, whether you're even working in PPC. This is going to help you understand channels of traffic and how it behaves on the website. So we're going to start with